Good day. Our lesson for today is all about quadratic inequality. At this point, what do you mean by quadratic inequality? Quadratic inequality is an inequality that contains a polynomial of degree 2 and can be written in any of the following forms. Form number 1, ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0. Form number 2, ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0. Form number 3, ax squared plus bx plus c greater than or equal 0. And form number 4, ax squared plus bx plus c less than or equal 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So as you can see, quadratic inequality uses the symbol greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Let's proceed to examples of quadratic inequality. The first one is we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 less than 0. The second one, x squared plus 15x plus 54 greater than or equal 0. For the third one, we have 2x squared plus 11x plus 15 greater than 0. And we have x squared minus 4x minus 12 less than or equal 0. Now the question is, why are those mathematical statements are examples of quadratic inequality? This is because the above mathematical sentences are all quadratic inequalities because they are of degree 2 and use the symbols of inequality greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal.